Guys, I'm not sure if this is the right place to unbox, but I think you're gonna see, man, guys. Okay, the first item, guys, it is this journal. This is the journal, ne? I bought it for myself. I want to journal my life, everything, guys. Let's journal together my life. So yeah, guys, I bought this. I want to write sweet messages for myself. I want to heal the inner child, guys. The child that never got the chance ukuthi as express and stuff. So I need this journal for that, guys. Guys, ilihlo lami libhlungu. Jonga ngapha. Guys, yabo. Remember 2022 or 2021, I went to cut this growth of meat or something like that. But iyakula futhi, guys. Yo, at this point, I'm so tired. Benifake ama eyelashes, guys. After a photo shoot, beningasafuni nix. But ndazama ke sana ukuthi ndibekezele for the sake. This I bought for myself again. This is the present I bought for myself, and I package it, guys. So special because, guys, I'm so special to myself, guys. More than anything, I'm so special to myself. And obviously, my packages are written. Thank you, yabo. Thank you. So I'm so grateful for myself. I'm grateful that I have me. I am so grateful that I have me. So I bought this key holder. This is the key holder for myself, guys. So I'll put this key holder for myself. And then I also bought this, guys. This, guys, for myself. This is what I bought for myself. Then I asked the ladies there to adjust it for me, guys. Guys, it is very important to do things that you like and to present yourself, to buy things for yourself. Don't wait for anyone. If something makes you happy, then just go for it, man. Just go for it. Don't wait for anyone to do it for yourself, because it was depressor for no reason. Zispoil mntase. Chance nechance oyifumanayo zispoil. Make sure ungageji. Make sure ukuthi uyazispoil. Doesn't want to cut. Let's do. Then I also bought this for myself, the handbag, guys. Ne, this handbag, guys, I love it. Look at it, guys. Yo, it is so nice. Look at the handbag, guys. Look at the handbag. It's so small, ne, but it can fit the phone and the wallet. The phone and the wallet, it can fit in here. Look at it. Very nice, very demure, guys, and very classy, ladish and stuff. Yeah, this is the handbag. I think I'm gonna use this handbag today on our outing, because we're still gonna go out now. And then, guys, this is another present from me to me, guys. Do you see how important I am to me, guys? I bought this perfume, ne, guys. Club the Nude, guys. For women, that's the Edgar's. I bought it from Edgar's. Guys, the smell there. The smell. I love it for me, Kesan. And then Zawi food. Guys. I need to smell good, guys. I must smell good. Let me smell good, guys. In fact, let me not wait for anyone. Let me just unbox it, guys. Let me just unbox it, guys. The angle and make it's not make sure. I'm not sure if you're gonna see this video properly, but guys, guys. Let me try to do this. Maybe it's gonna be better. Yeah, let me move back a bit. This is the perfume, guys. Neighbor, oh, this is the perfume, guys. I love sweet things, guys. I love sweet things. This is the perfume. Very important, guys. Ukuthi fafa nasentlo ukwenza ba uzothi xa ugqithe kuthi fa into yanuka kamandi kanjani umuntu wagqithe adlule nawe sana mane kujonga jijitheke inhloko iqhawuke sana inhloko endodeni ithi umqala ibe ngathi ngokakhwela manzi sana ibe ngathi ngowejirafa ethi ufuna ubona uba ngubani nonuka kamnandi kubani lo unesense kubani lo unuka so sweet and welcoming and homely and warm guys masingabahemisi mabangaphumli bophumle ecebo lethu guys mabangaphumli makucaca uba kudlule wena isinqi sakho isandi sakho masivakale mntase unganyonyobi ungabi nginicotine isandi sakho masivakale ubona ukuthi ngizocenga guys kulate ngoku umuntu uzawuncengwa ngunyoko umuntu uzawuncengwa ngunyoko not a city guys late then guys hey guys this one is the present that was bought by my boyfriend but when he bought this present guys we were at a very hectic stage, fighting stage and everything, so he bought this because it was his way of apologizing It was February this year. So I did not open it, guys. My anxiety did not allow me to open it until I decided yesterday that, you know what, let me just open it and see. But kukhona apha, guys. Kukhona, let's guess, guys. Guys, I don't know. My weird thinking is telling me ukuthi kukho iring. Kukho iring apha. And if it is a ring, andazi ba izawuthini into yayo. But if it's not a ring, again, I don't know izawuthini into yayo still. But I really want to find out now. I am interested at this point to know what is happening here. Because guys, at this point, I'm in that era of calmness. I'm in that era of maturity. I'm in that era of peace. I'm in that era of forgiveness. I'm in that era, guys. Yeah, classy woman. I'm in that era, guys, where I just want peace. Inzolo, guys, inzolo, ekuhlaleni inzolo ebandleni. So I am gonna open it for those reasons, guys. You know what? It is pointless, man. It is pointless. And I know my man guys. And please don't forget to also share your guess about when ucingibinoba kukhondoni apha. Ucingibinoba kukhondoni apha, guys. Ucingibani noba kukhondoni. Yo, isarechwanga ndithi nyango. Nama kukhondoni. Let's find out together, guys. Siquleke sonke. Guys, I don't know why, man. Xa ndizolantuka mandibamba le present ixhala lam vele lithi gugugugugugu. Vele ndiphathwe yi-anxiety. Guys. Yo, guys, makesisele ayikho le, makesisele, guys, makesisele le piece, guys, ngeke. Guys, kuningi. D1 kuningi. Hey, kuningi, guys, good. Guys, lendoda ine choice kudala ndiyithetha lento, guys. Kudala ndiyithetha lento, guys, jonga. Lendoda ine choice, guys. Inoba yayikhetha nabantu wash. Wow, guys. Guys, double the time, guys. At this point, guys, I'm thinking that now since I'm a damage control, I'm a measures, we are putting measures in place for me not to be late ever again, guys. I will never be late again. Look at the wash, guys. It is so beautiful. I'm not sure if you can see it. It is so beautiful, but I don't think it's gonna fit me, this one. Look at this one, the one I bought. This one is the one I bought. So this one I made them to adjust it. So this one, obviously I was not there, so I think maybe it won't fit me, or he managed to tell them to adjust it so that it can fit me. No, he didn't. So guys, they need to take out, take out some few, maybe 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this 3. I think if they can take out this 3, it's gonna be fine. But guys, guys, other than that, guys, I'm so super excited, guys. At this point I am thinking of going with both of them. Just know there's a two guys, guys. Guys, what do you think? Guys, I'm gonna go with both of them, guys. Guys, will I look like I'm exaggerating matters, or I am doubling the time so that I'm not late, or I am just over the moon, doubling the joy or something, guys? And at this point, guys, if ibin fit clearly, I think I love it more. Guys. I think I was gonna wear it or tanding daughter. Hi guys, because what is this? Why ndizotanda ekhethwe indoda more than ekhethwe ndim personally? Bendiphama thupha, but ngoku ndizawuthanda ekhethwe indoda. Hi guys, benisithi kule age andizungena nayo ke, kodwa le into yalo mkhuba umbi, but it looks like ndingene phakathi dzwabhasana. Oh guys, I sent perfume, guys. If you like something that smells so nice and sweet, elegant, guys. And again, guys, I also bought those 2 heels that you saw from the photo shoot, guys. So I also bought them, like those 2 ones, because I was not sure which one is gonna match with my outfit, so I had to buy both of them. Then guys, the star of the show, last but not least, nansi ndinxibile sana, kodwa ke ndizama ubheke izawuvela kahle. Nansi ke sana, the star of the show ke sana, nansi yabo, nansi. So I bought this dress from Redbet, ne? So it is the dress from Redbet. So how is it, guys? I feel like, guys, it doesn't suit me. It's a bit bigger, or I don't know, man. Or maybe it's because I need to tie it here or adjust it here. I don't know. But what do you think about it, guys? I feel like, guys, indenza ndibene shwaba ingabonani impundu zami, and guys, ndiyazazi mina ndinazo impundu zami. Mafikelelo up, it's present. Fanele bazime kanjalo, guys. Yabo? Nansi ke i-dress yam. So what do you think, guys, about my dress? What do you think? Talk to me. How is my dress, guys? How is my dress, guys? How is my dress? How is my dress? How is my dress, guys? How is my dress? That's my dress, yeah. That's Dinjani, guys. Oh guys, manikhulule.